AI at light speed, glass fibers versus silicon chips. What if computers could think at the speed of light, not electricity, not silicon, just light, fired through a glass fiber thinner than a human hair? Two European research teams have just pulled off something extraordinary. They've built a computing system that uses ultra-fast laser pulses to perform AI-like tasks, thousands of times faster than today's electronics. And it's not just speed, it's smart too. This light-powered system can recognize handwritten numbers with over 91% accuracy in less than a trillionth of a second. Here's how it works. Researchers used femtosecond laser pulses. So fast, they're a billion times shorter than a camera flash. These pulses carry a rainbow of wavelengths. By encoding image data into tiny timing delays and firing those pulses through glass fibers, the light transforms. The fiber's non-linear optical properties scramble and reshape the signal. And that scrambled spectrum, it contains everything the system needs to classify data, just like a neural network. Why ditch electronics? Because they're slowing us down. Silicon chips are hitting limits in bandwidth, energy use, and processing speed. But light, it moves faster, it carries more data, and it uses less power. Optical fibers can handle subtle differences in input and amplify them, perfect for AI tasks that need nuance and speed. But here's the twist. It's not about blasting more power through the fiber. The best results came from a careful balance. Fiber length, dispersion, how light spreads out, laser power. It's all about how the light is structured, says Dr. Matilda Hari. How you encode the information, and how it interacts with the fiber. This research opens the door to a new class of AI hardware, hybrid systems that blend optics and electronics. Think real-time data processing, high-speed inference for AI models, environmental monitoring, autonomous vehicles, smart drones running at light speed. And this is just the beginning. This work was made possible by world-class collaboration between Tampere University in Finland and Université Marie et Louis Pasteur in France, backed by the European Research Council, French National Research Agency, and the Research Council of Finland. We are merging physics and machine learning, say the lead scientists, and opening entirely new paths in computing. When machines learn at the speed of light, the future doesn't just compute, it illuminates. Hit that like button if this blew your mind. Subscribe for more science-powered stories. And as always, stay curious.